Chipembere is a song for the rhinoceros. You know, yeah, rhinoceros people, you know, they go poaching this animal because they need the horn there. So, it's a the most dangerous animal in the bush. If you go in the bush, you must make sure that you might find this, come across with this rhinoceros. But if you want, if you have a place where you can jump over the ant hill, this animal cannot uh, get you there, because it tries to take the ant hill, but it can't. It keeps the horn goes in down the but the ant hill cannot fall down. So you stay there until it's fed up and go, and then you have chance to jump and leave. So that animal is dangerous also. That's why people say Chipembere, you have to watch out when you go in the in the bush. You have to be aware of those animals like Chipembere. So, and one says also, I'm strong enough, I can fight like a rhinoceros. Well, yeah, you can fight like that. But when you meet the rhinoceros, can you fight? No, you can't. Because this animal it's big and it's huge, it can fight you to nothing. But I remember my, one of the my relatives in Uzumba, he killed the rhinoceros with his dogs and the spears. He killed him. He killed that animal and took the horn. He's still at his house. He told his kids that I was a hunter. You see this animal? He said, they say yes. Yeah, it's huge. It's a very strong animal. You can't even kill it without a rifle. But I killed it with spears. So that is the story of the rhinoceros. It's a dangerous animal, and you have to be aware of this animal when you go anywhere. But these days, the rhinoceros are not there. But why should you aware to, when you go in the street, there are, vehicles, you can come across, there are rhinoceros also. You must be very careful. Yeah.
So a warning, being prepared for danger, but also this strength and fearlessness that some people have.
Yeah, you must be, very, very careful and, and be careful all the time when you walk. Not an animal, but these animals are like human beings also. Human beings can be animals, because if he attacks you, he's like an animal, but he's attacking you. So you must be take care of those people. And the cars, you must make sure that where I'm walking, there's no car coming near me. You have, look all the way to all the sides. So that's, the name Chipembere comes from this awareness. In Zimbabwe, we call them the Big Five. Yeah.